Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative. Thanks for you guys liking, watching, and subscribing, and thank you to all my new um, subbies. Welcome to my channel. You will find videos on hauls and crafts. So anyway, I forgot to show this in my Tuesday morning haul. I got this on clearance, 20% and then another 25% off. So this was the Tim Holtz Alterations die called Prize Ribbons, which you guys are probably all seen because it's not a new die. It was $9.99 originally, and I think I paid, was 20% off, would have been $7.99. There was another 25%. I forgot, 6 something or 534, something like that. I can't remember, but it was 185 3004. Whatever I paid, I know it was on clearance. I don't know what it was. I forgot now. But anyway, so while I was out of town, I had to go out of town for a meeting. It was one of those days the traffic was crazy. It was late for the meeting because I drove a couple hours. But I was excited because I knew on my way home I was going to stop at HL. Because like I said, the nearest Hobby Lobby, you know, is 90, they're all 90 minutes apart in my state. So, and I had to drive at least 90 minutes away, and there was a Hobby Lobby. So I usually stop in there when I go to meetings up there quarterly. So, of course, they were having their clearance. So I decided to go look. Now, some of the things was interesting. Some of that stuff seemed like it was a little higher. They didn't have some of the dials like the ones everybody had for $2.49, like they said hello, and they had a flamingo on it, the little skinny 6-pack. And the other one had thanks on it or whatever. Like they didn't, well, they didn't have any more of the hellos, but the thank you ones wasn't marked down. It was just weird. Like the word dials one from Tim Holtz wasn't marked down, but the other Tim Holtz ones were. I don't know, so it was just kind of strange. But anyway, I still found enough stuff, so I didn't go back and get help because I had enough junk in my cart as it was. So I'm just going to jump in and show you the stuff that I got on my clearance haul this time from Hobby Lobby. I got me some more little planner embellishments for 99¢, which you guys have seen. And of course, these are great dangles for your planners. You know, you could put it on a pocket letter, you could put it on a planner, you could put it on a mini album, you could put it on a lot of different things. So your purse. So I got this dangle as well, and this one has more of a travel theme. And I think I purchased one of these recently from Hobby Lobby that was on sale at my store. This was $1.74. So this one just has the map, a plane, and a camera. And then this one has a feather, a diamond, and a vow, which I will put some sequins in there. They both were $1.74. Got another set of these. Didn't necessarily need these, but it was such a good price for $3.74 for gold marking pens. You can write with them, or you definitely can put them in your Cricut. So I don't do enough writing with my pens, but those are the sizes that they come in. Let me get this cinch stuff out of the way. They only had these two on sale for 49¢. And the other ones they had there, they weren't on sale. And these two chipboards for 49¢. And these are 6x6. So you can make a 6x6 mini album, which is 6x6 paper pad. Just cut your paper pad. Well, if you want your paper to completely cover it, it can do that. Or if you want to mat it, or if you want to make it a little, you know, quarter with the eighth off or half off, whatever, with your paper. But, you know, you can use this, or you can use a 12x12 and cut it in half and make an album. So anyway, I just thought I could use these because these were nice, sturdy chipboard for mini albums, and I like making mini albums. So let's get down into the, well, okay, these stickers, I mean these stamps. These are both $2.49. I think I already have this one, but I got it just in case. And I said, you know, both of these, if I don't have them, they will go into my giveaway for $3,000 if I don't have it. So this one says Beauty and Brains. I am very busy. Messy hair, but don't care. But first mascara, coffee fixes everything. This one has hello, we can get it done. Besties and brunch, you know, Friday, Monday, sleeping in, those kind of things. So just cute planner ones. And they were both $2.49. This was not on clearance, but it was on sale, 40% off, and this was a sticker book, and I did end up getting it. I think I've seen this. I mean, it's not the first time I've seen it, but I've seen it at home. Well, no, I don't know if because every time I go, I think it was out. Can't remember. Or maybe it wasn't on sale, and I was using my coupon for something else. But I went on and got it, since it was 40% off. So, yeah, I just thought it was a cute little sticker pack. And then, you know, I was so excited to get those girls. Oh my goodness. And they were half off too, so that was awesome. So all the Paper Studio stuff was half off, so I got both sets of those. Yay. So all of these stickers I'm gonna show you. Of course, these were 40% off. They weren't on the mega sale, but they're still on sale, and I like them. So this one, of course, does it have a name? It just says girls. So it's a 7-piece. So I love the little images there. You got your lipstick, your typewriter says you're loved. So fierce, the eyelashes. So I like the little characters. This one says even the hair on your head are numbered. Excuse me, I can't read. Even the hairs on your head are numbered, and that's according to Luke 12:7. God says He knows you because He's counted every hair on your head because He put them there. Follow His plans, not your own. All I need today is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Rooted with the Lord, but first pray. I love these right here. And this is girls just want to have fun. You got your shoes, your eyelashes. See, I need to go back to bed. Eyeglasses, lips, lipsticks, and fingernail polish. And then I got the Reset Girl, $1.24, just some of her sticker set. She's got a ton of that Reset paper. All right, so some of the dies. Let's see if there's any more stickers. I did get the ribbons on sale, 50% off, so I got some of the silver leaves. Probably this lighting is terrible. And then I got some of the grass green floral, like wire trim leaves, not leaves, but garland. They both were 50% off. And then this was 50% off. And this was the other one, the L sticker one. This one is Good Lashes. So I know I had the other one, but I didn't have this one. So it's got the girls, the eyelashes. Girls just want to have fun. And the shoes. So, yay. So I did get this crocodile. I was hoping to find when I went to there Tuesday morning. There was a couple more Tuesday mornings, but they were going back the opposite direction. I wanted to be traffic in the rain. So I didn't go to them, but I only went to one. But they didn't have the alphabet, not the alphabet, the tag punch board is what I was hoping to find by We Are Memories Keepers. But that's okay. I got this We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper, which is the large and small angle, so you can make a paper into a tag, and it was $6.24. So this cuts the angle off, and you can make your tag out of it. So, boom, like that. And the dies, and they had a lot more, but they didn't have as many cheap dies, shall I say. And I had to put some back because I was just picking up. But I did get this one by Spellbinders for $374. It says You've Got Game, and the Spellbinders number is S3310. And again, it's just a 3-piece set. I got the Spellbinders Hip Llama, which I think I actually own this, and if so, that'll be in a giveaway, but I'm not sure, but I think I do. This is $374, and it's S3319. And this Sizzix one doesn't have a name. Nope, but it's just, some succulents for $324, 3-piece. This was the only Tim Holtz, it was $4.99. This is 6-piece. So I envision using this, cutting into the paper and using the negative as a background for a mixed media. So, and this one is called Mixed Media number 6. And the number 662689. That's the 66 number, and it's $4.99. So I did get these 4 season. These are leaves. It's Reef Elements. It's 4 pieces, and it was $5.74. That's, I mean, they were not as cheap. And it says it also works with S4845, whichever number that, I mean, whatever that one is. But the actual number for this one is S5338. So this does coordinate, and these are 1 by 1 inch. Really? That sounds like it says not no 1 by 1. Maybe 1 by 4 inch. Yeah, 1 by 4. Or maybe they mean the height in. Check, make sure all of them in there. Yep. And then I got these layered floral 3-piece set for $7.49, and this is called Thoughtful Expressions, and it's S6132. I thought these would be good for panels. It's 2.2 by 4.8, so almost, you know, 2.5 by 5. You know, the front of a card. You can cut these in there, or like your gatefold cards, or even in the mini album. I know people said some of the pieces weren't in there. On the stamp says. Anyway, this is the Baroque filigree, and it's $2.49. So this is a cut and emboss die set. So it embosses and it cuts out some of those little areas in there. And this is the Blooming Springs for $2.49, same thing. Both of those by Spellbinders. And this is the little robot 9-piece set, $3.74, and the number is S3309. Doesn't look like all of them in here. Oh, yes, they are. So all 9 pieces are in here. Great. Just getting a little worried. I'm gonna check this piece right here. This got 3 pieces. Let me just make sure. All my pieces in here. Try to get packages that don't look like they've been open. But you know, that don't mean anything. Yep, so that's all in there. Then I got this one, which is the Twisted, and it was $3.74. So this one says yellow for the mustard in the pretzel. It says I'm nuts about you. You've got me tied in knots. You know, then you got the little salt sprinkles for the pretzel. So that's $3.74. And then you have, and that's the picture on the back. And this one is $5.74. And this one, what's the name of it? I mean, obviously it's bacon something. The Breakfast Club. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4 dies. That one only had 2. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamps. Don't go baking my heart. A toast to you. You're the coolest thing since sliced bread. Wishing you a sunny side up kind of day. And that's the example. Then I got these 2, which I still, when I was looking at them, I said, oh, I could probably use these for some other stuff. Anyway, this is the Thin List Photo Long by Jen Long. Both of these, $4.99, and this is the 662727, and the actual name is Card Pineapple Photo Long. So it comes with 10 pieces, and as you can see, it can make this photo long card, and you can decorate it. Nice summer theme, but you can use this pineapple again, you know, for just different things, you know. So just gotta be creative with that. And then this one is 12-piece die set, and it is called Card Flamingo Photo Long, which is pretty obvious. And it is 662726. So for $4.99. So I like the little flamingos on that one. And then this one I kept debating if I should get it or not, but it was $5.74, and this is Spellbinders S5349. It's called Little Loves A2 card front. And so just some kids playing outside. So I believe that is everything that I got from the Hobby Lobby when I was out of town. Yeah, so if I got any duplicates, I just throw it in my bucket. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.